Okay, I'm here with Kelly Camp, Source Camp, and we're using a tool called Lovable. And this was an idea that came from the AI Salon about taking my family's journey and making it come to life with Lovable. So we did that, right? So if you click on a location, it takes from the summary and tells you what happened at that location, right? We can move the map. I need to go out a little bit because there's a lot that happened. Yeah, they went this way towards Japan. I wonder if they got to Irkutsk and it has like the date they arrived. Is this not crazy? And I can't figure out. Oh, there it is. There's Japan. No way. I'm dying. Vancouver. There it is. What do you think?
My gosh, it's amazing.
I cannot. I'm dying. Let's stop the recording.